భార్గవ్ కదా. Good morning, everyone. This is Bhargav. Today, I am here to present a stage of mind life. Stages of mind life. There are four stages of mind life: prospecting, exploration, development, extraction, recrimination. Coming to prospecting is the first stage in this stage of mind life. In this stage, there is a search of an aura. In this stage, the study of literatures and maps of the area. In the stage of mind life, in prospecting, there are two methods: direct method and indirect method. In direct method, it is limited to the surface or near to the surface, which means which surface near to the outcrop. It consists of visual examinations of either outcrops or loose fragments that have been weathered away from the outcrop. The samples are collected from the potential site for the microscopic study in the laboratory. In indirect method, it is an method where the deeper deposits are there. It includes seismic, radiometric, magnetic, and many other methods for search of ore deposits. And the second stage, exploration. In this stage, ore samples are collected by diamond drills. They are subjected to the laboratory analysis, which are carried out for the grade and tonnage of the deposit. And video core samples and diamond drill bits are used. Here we have a picture of core samples which are collected from the drill holes and which are stored in an rectangular box for the further process development. This is the third stage of the mine life. In this, it is a work of opening a mineral deposit for the exploration. With it, proper mining begins. In this stage, mining rights are acquired. Development of access of the roads for the and the construction, power supply is started. Extraction, it is the actual recovery of minerals, which develops work continues throughout the life of mine. In exploration stage, main is on a production. In this stage, mining methods also selected. And the mining methods are two types: surface and underground. This is regarding the stage of mine life. Now, small introduction to the underground and surface mining. Mm. The small introduction to the underground and surface mining. Uh, open cast mining and underground minings are the mining methods. The coal is mainly mined by two methods: surface or open cast mining and underground mining. The choice of method is largely determined by the depth, geology of coal deposits and other factors. The majority of the world's coal production is coming from the open cast. This scenario is same in India also. Mining process: drilling, blasting, loading, hauling, transportation, processing or washing. This is a common process for every open cast mine. Drilling, which includes drill machines, blasting, SMS, primer, novels, etc. were used. Loading, shovel, dragliner, etc. were used. Haulage, front end loader, etc. were used. Transport, dumper, conveyors, belt conveyors, etc. were used. Washing, coal washers. Drilling process, mining process: drilling, blasting, loading, hauling, transportation. Loading, hauling, transportation is done by drag liner. Drilling, blasting is a surface miner. Haulage and transportation is input crusher and conveying. Selection of mining equipment. Selection of mining equipment mainly depends by the stripping ratio. In case of open cast, life of the mine, infrastructure available, processed annual output, technology available. Open cast mining, different OC machinery, open cast machinery, shovel dumper combination, dragline, surface miner, bucket wheel excavator, input crusher, Systematic diagrammatic diagram of open cast mining. Here we have drag line, heavy blasting in open cast benches, where compared to underground mines, here high explosives were used, and output production is high compared to underground mines. Shovel dumper combination, multi schemes extraction, more flexibility, can work in steep gradient up to 1 in 5. Shovel dumper combination, pictorial representation. Here a rope shovel and dumper combination. uh, Hydraulic shovel and dumper. We rope shovel here, when compared to rope shovel and hydraulic shovel, rope shovel rope shovel and dumper combination produce high production than a surface miner. Selective mining, particularly suitable for coal having compressive strength below 250 kg per centimeter square. Suitable in a gradient of 1 in 10 and flatter. Surface miner. This is a picture from the field work. Bucket wheel excavator. It is widely used for regland extraction. Bucket wheel excavator is used for soft deposits. In bucket wheel excavator, whether the deposits are harder, drilling and blasting is adapted. Where bucket wheel excavator cannot be digged for hard deposits, particularly suitable for having low compressive strength up to 100 kg meter per centigrade. This is a picture from the site of bucket wheel excavator. Bucket wheel excavator is only adapted at Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. Bucket wheel excavator is the largest equipment in the India or else in the world. It can uh, it can work continuously without any break. Here we're coming to the bucket wheel excavator, which rotates in a continuous manner, where it have where it have bucket is where it have the loading by itself, and the loaded material will be transported simultaneously by the conveyor belts. Dragline. Uh, Dragline can adapt gradient flatter than in 1 in 6 gradient. Dragline, which can stand on it on a top of the bench, and it mainly dragline is suitable for extra removal of OB on the open cast mines. Seam should be free from faults and other geological disturbance. Deposit with a major strike length. A hilly property is not suitable. Deposit should have at least 15 years lifespan. Here we have dragline picture from the site. In bit cluster conveyor technology. In an underground mining, incline entry into a seam. Incline, it is a roadway driven from the surface to the underground to approach the ore deposit. Entry through a shaft. A shaft is a vertical opening from the surface to an ore deposit. Uh, Entry through a shaft. It is man riding system in the mine, where employees are transported to the man riding to a certain distance. A well supported underground roadways, where the gallery is supported by the roof bolts. Drilling operation in a coal face machinery, manual coal loading. haulage load haul dumper. Capacity is 2 to 2.7 cubic meter. Production 150 to 200 150 to 200 tons per day. For seam 1 in 6 gradient and flatter. Thickness of 2 meter to 4 meter. Side load slide dump discharge. Capacity of 1 cubic meter. Production 120 tons per day. For seams of 1 in 5 gradient and flatter. Thickness of 2 meter to 3.5 meters. Mechanized dragline machineries. Rate of drivage 6 meter per day. Production 150 tons per day. For seam of 1 in 4 gradient and flatter. Thickness of 2 meter to 4 meter. Continuous miner. Rate of drivage is 5 meters, 50 meters per day. Production 1500 tons per day. For seam in 1 in 5 gradient and flatter. Thickness of 3 meter to 4 meter. Mechanized roof floating. This mechanized roof boating machine which bolts 240 bolts for a day. For seam of 1 in 5 gradient and flatter. Thickness of 2 meter to 5 meter. By using this mechanized roof bolts, it is uh, economically suitable for the mine. General layout of long wall. Uh, in a long wall method includes drivage of two long roadways in coal and joining them at end by a particular perpendicular drivage from a forming a face. Dip strike direction where the roof is supported in this pictorial diagram. The roof is supported by the uh, shearer working at long wall face. Here the shearer works in a works continuously works. It cuts in a shearer working at long wall face. A shearer which consists of two drums at rear and at front. The two drums simultaneously where the whole section of the face, which one cuts the upper section of the face and one cuts the down section of the face. Powered roof supports at long wall faces. Long wall main gate. New concepts are going to be implemented in the India. High wall mining, trench mining, bench mining. High wall mining. Here we can see the see ramp, high wall mining coal seam connected, extracted coal area go for long wall, punch long wall advantage. Step change in cost and productivity, more production capacity, high productivity and low cost, longer term and higher percentage of reverse extraction, easy logistics near surface, high gate road developed development rates, higher and faster returns on investment. Total investment. Here you have an arches for supporting of your roadway entry of your roadway. Long wall top coal caving. Underground coal gasification. Here underground coal gasification is done by drilling of boreholes. The drilling of boreholes, the gas is collected by the borehole pipes to the surface, which is collected and stored used for fuel gas or hydrogen. Uh, ఏం చెప్తాను చెప్పు. This is my presentation regarding introduction to underground and surface mining. If any questions, please ask me. Thank you, everyone. సార్ ఇది అయిపోయింది. ఇదే presentation ఇప్పుడే కదా సార్. ఏం కాలేదు మరి. షేరింగ్ ఆఫ్ చేసిన. ఓకే. ఓకే.